Hey guys, Catlin here with your homework help for lesson 5 on a Friday, which is weird. I'm not used to doing this on a Friday. I'm ready to go home. But these are due Tuesday next week. We got one more lesson, lesson 6, which you see down below. We'll do that on Monday, quiz and homework due Tuesday next week, our last day before Thanksgiving break. Whoop, whoop. So looking at this problem, we actually solved this equation in class, and we got that answer of x equals 2.8 or 14 over 5. So you did that one. I think it was the second equation in your group where you passed the card around. So we've seen this, but Noah is wanting to see if it's right, and he's checking it to see if it equals. And as he's doing it, he gets that it's not, but we know that that was right. We did that in class. So he's making a mistake somewhere along his shown work to prove that they're the same, but he's using like algebra concepts to check it instead of just like working it out and seeing if they're the same. So let's see if we can spot where he messed up on his algebra concepts. So the first thing that he did, which is okay, is he got rid of this 1/2 by dividing both sides by 1/2. And what that did is it doubled the 6 and it doubled the 10, because anytime that you divide by 1/2, you double everything that you're dividing it by. So, like if I divide this expression by 1/2, that doubles to a 12, and if I divide this expression by 1/2, that gets to a 20. So he's good on step number 1. So he checks out. This checks out. All right, but between this step and this step, let's see what he does. He goes from having everything in the parentheses and everything on this side. He's trying to get rid of that 5 on the bottom, so he's like, I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. So I'm going to multiply this side by 5. I'm going to multiply this side by 5. Everything stays the same. This is okay. He didn't really do anything other than put it on parentheses and multiply both sides by 5. That's fine. Where he messes up is when he tries to actually multiply by 5. So whenever he multiplied 5 and distributed to this, okay, 5 times 14/5 is 14. He's okay there, but he also should have multiplied 5 times 6 and got 30. That should have been a 30. 5 times this, the 5 cancels and you get 14 times 12, but he never distributed the 5 to the 20. This should have been 5 times 20 is 100. So the mistake is right here. His incorrect step is while distributing the 5, he forgot to multiply by the 6 and the 20. By the 6 and 20, which would have given him 30 and 100. And then if he gotten those things, if that was 100 and that was 30, and you subtract, you would get the same thing. You would get 68 on both sides, which shows that they're true. And that's all I got for your homework this week. We'll finish up lesson 6 on Monday. So have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys then. Later.